I'm using this Ryobi brad nailer. I love this thing. I've used it in all of my projects. Hey guys, it's Oksana with Craft and More Design. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this beautiful board and batten wall, and I hope you guys enjoy. We are gonna go through our wood. We typically keep extra wood around here because we never know when a project may arise. We're gonna see if we have enough for our board and batten. We have this really awkward door that opens up into like this dungeon. So we are doing a board and batten to cover that up to kind of blend it into this space. Okay, so the goal was to cover this entire door because it's very awkward, okay? We were gonna do this board and batten wall and still have it functional. You can't open it. Panic. This is a panicking moment. Well, okay, so we had a door that we could open and we were trying to make this functional so that we can remain opening it. Well, now we're in a dilemma, so I will be right back. All right, false alarm to pull up harder. So we're gonna cover this up. If we ever need it, should we ever need it, we still have it being functional. So the first thing I did was go ahead and measure this entire wall, which my husband already did. So we measured it to be 420 inches. What'd you say? We did measure it to be 102 inches. At the end of it all, I'm gonna paint it and really try to blend in this space. That's all I gotta say about that. Alright, so I will post all of the supplies that I'm using in the link below, but we're just basically just using 1x4 wood pieces. So I just kind of eyeball where I like it. So once I have it kind of in the place I like it, I'm going to go ahead and just take my leveler again and make sure it is nice and level before I apply my first nail. When you are nail gunning,
brad nailing, yeah.
When you're brad nailing this board and batten, you gotta make sure you press that wood really firm against the wall so that it stays level. And then go ahead and take your brad nailer and just do nails the entire way down. Keep it nice and secure. And if you look closely, I do like to get just a little pencil, mark it, and then that way I can line it up directly so it's nice and level. And we're almost there, so halfway done. So we went ahead and made those extra cuts for this 1x6 wood. And this is the easy part. I'm just gonna line it up directly above the other part, and then I'll nail it in after I put these in. Alright, so I am sitting here in our basement and I am so stuck. I look through so many different color palettes and I just don't know what to paint that board and batten wall. I don't want it to get too busy, and I'm just really stuck. So just a fun small hack. If you are ever struggling with what to paint your wall color, just go to Google, do a quick search of colors of the year or popular colors, and you'll be surprised how you will often see the same color over and over again, and subconsciously you're actually obsessed with that color but you don't know it yet. So that's how this green was for me. So I ended up just choosing this sage stem from the Magnolia home line, and I actually had them mix it in the Benjamin Moore paint because I love the quality. I got this kit at Home Depot and they're $10. So this is what I'm gonna paint my green wall with. So when you do get these little knit rollers, they're really fuzzy. Little fun hack is you go ahead and take this tape or whatever tape you have and just wrap it up tight and secure. Take it off like this. And all that fuzz. Or you could probably even use one of those little lint rollers. That would be much easier. This wall is so pretty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I love this color. It's so nice and airy and has so much personality. I love it. And that door, it's a creepy dungeon, still is functional. So that's always a plus. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you guys think and if you like that color, and if not, what would you have done? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun DIY videos and some home refresh makeovers.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Mind you, this wood is warped, so if I nail it in, it may not be straight. Are we okay?
It's not warped.
Actually, it's warped.
It's not warped. The other wood is warped.
Boy, you're gonna see it. I don't always do the middle, but you're welcome to do so, right?
No, we did the middle.
Oh, yeah, no, you definitely have to do the middle, so. Bald spot, buddy. Like Willow? Hi, Willow. Oh. Oh, yeah, okay.
Let it snow.
You? Yeah.
No, you. Take this.
Here you go.
No,
Here, just do
Let me
this
show you
and
something.
all
No,
the things will
no,
come off.
Take the tape.